see caste Charan and Bhat. And Bhat. These are the local caste of Rajasthan. Jaipur, you will see two buildings. This building and Water Palace, Jal Mahal. Water Palace and Palace of Wind were built by Pratap Singh. Pratap Singh was the fifth king of Jaipur city. Before independence, this building was Shri Deodi. Name was Shri Deodi. Shri Deodi. Shri means Lord Krishna. Look at architecture. That is the architecture of Lord Krishna's crown. Look, this is the crown of Lord Krishna. So this building has Lord Krishna's crown architecture. And Deodi means in Rajasthan room or balconies. 953 small windows. And there is a secret tunnel which goes from here to City Palace. In City Palace, royal family is living there. Still, before Jaipur, the king of Jaipur used to live in Amber. But in Amber, population problem, water problem, therefore they moved in Jaipur city. And after founder king name, Jai Singh Jaipur. Okay, so Amber is 1000 years old. Jaipur is 300 years old.
Jai Singh second.
Jai Singh second. Why king built this palace? What was the reason? And why we call this palace Palace of Wind? There are two questions. Why we call this palace Palace of Wind? Because the name was Shri Deodi before independence. Have you seen this building outside?
Yeah.
When you may have considered that the outside wall is not standing 90-degree angle. Outside wall is standing 80-degree angle. Tilt.
Tilt.
Inside tilt. And there are 953 windows. So this is winter season is going. But in summers, when we have 45-degree temperature, hot winds hit the wall and moves up. And from the windows they come outside to inside because of this tilt. Okay? And behind very good cross ventilation. So they reduce their 10-degree temperature. 45-degree winds, inside 35. Therefore we call this palace Palace of Wind. And why king built this palace? Because before Muslims, in Hindus, ladies were allowed with pupils, with outside the houses. They used to go in schools, they used to go in temples, they used to study together with boys in Takshila, in Nalanda. But when Muslims came here, they loved to marry with Hindu ladies. They wanted to establish their Islam religion, and India was famous for golden bird. Golden bird, सोने की चिड़िया. Golden bird, because in temple huge gold work. In Somnath, in South India also there are lots of gold. So they attacked on India. So Akbar married with Jodhabai from Amber. That was the first political marriage from this region. This time this is Rajasthan. Before independence, Rajputana. So Hindus were not happy with this political marriage. So they put lots of restrictions on royal ladies. The restrictions were they were not allowed openly outside, they were not able to show her faces, they were not able to go to school, they were not able to go market. So they always used to live in buildings. But when King Jai Singh II founded new city, Jaipur city, royal family moved from Amber to Jaipur. And when Jai Singh II founded Jaipur city was a beautiful city. When we will go there, you will see the beautiful view. Broad roads, 200 feet roads. Big processions used to go on the road. So royal ladies wanted to see outside processions. They wanted to see outside the world from the city palace. So they told their husband Pratap Singh, we would like to see the world, we would like to see the city. Therefore king built that palace. So before independence, this building was wing palace for royal ladies. If they wanted to see outside views, they used to come here from city palace to here, and from the windows they watch outside activities. King used to enter from here. When king used to enter from here, like in Amber, have you been Amber?
Yeah.
Same like in Amber from the Ganesh pole, you have seen the Ganesh pole.
Yes.
So when king used to enter inside, they throw flower on king.
Okay.
So this gate for king, for ladies we have different way. This beautiful gate we call the moon gate. In middle, can you see the moon is there? On the moon, Lakshmi, she is the money goddess, she is sitting there. If you stand there, I can make your group photo.
Okay.
He was the king who built this palace and water palace. His original painting.
Okay.
In paintings, if you see the mustache is upside, it means Hindu king.
Okay.
Down Mughal, no mustache British.
No. Okay.
Because after British, some kings removed their mustaches. Okay. This dress you will see in city palace.
Okay.
He is holding pen, paper is there. After making this palace, he became poet king. He used to write here poems on Lord Krishna and Radha's love story. When he was 13 years old, he became the king of Jaipur city. When he was 43 or 44 years old, he died.
Okay.
So he was the fifth king of Jaipur city. You may have this wall from outside. So first floor, behind 5 inches behind second floor, then 5 inches behind third floor, then 5 inches fourth, and 5 inches fifth. And there are 953 small windows. The wind hit the wall and moved.
Wow. Yeah.
So behind the windows, royal ladies used to watch outside activities. There are 2 watching towers. One is here, second is here. So when royal ladies used to watch outside activities, transgenders were the personal assistant of the Maharani. They used to stand there with bows and arrows. So nobody could see what is going inside.
Which year was this?
1799. That is metro station. Bathtub, swimming pool.
Oh.
Present time we have shampoo, soaps.
Ah.
Many years ago, no shampoo, no soap. That time it was full of milk, full of curd, full of rose water, herbal water. Downside this floor, big water tank. Therefore, government set up here fountains. Yes, because in Rajasthan we don't have river, Registan, desert. But in every Hindu building you can see water harvesting system. That was kitchen portion. Okay, in this building you can see 2 architecture, Hindu and Mughal architecture. The crown shape of this building is Hindu architecture, and these curves. That is Mughal architecture. This building now 5 levels: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th level, first level we call Sharad Mandir. First level, second Ratan Mandir, third Vichitra Mandir, fourth Prakash Mandir, and fifth Hava Mandir. One side we have ramp, one side we have stairs to move up. Inside you will see the 2 types of windows. One window for the principal wife of the king, Patranis, and another window for the normal ladies.
Normal.
Come. This building has described 953 windows. So more than 1,000 ladies could see from inside to outside. This is for normal ladies, and for special ladies we have the special windows. Come.
Delhi. Oh, okay.
So all royal processions used to go on this road. Diwali festival, Holi festival, Teej festival, Gangaur festival. When you need to go City Palace, you have to choose this road. So this was the principal market. So before independence, this building was Shri Jodi. So this market was Shri Jodi market. This is now Hawa Mahal. This market is Hawa Mahal market. In Rajasthan, you will see the beautiful glass work. These are new gates. Before it, new gates. Before it, gates were made of metal. Also very soft from here to top. These are convex mirrors. Convex.
Convex, yeah.
We can use these convex mirrors in our cars. So this work was up to the ceiling everywhere. Here, in this floor, this work was everywhere. And these are Belgium glasses.
Yeah.
There they used to hang their chandelier, candles. So the reflection of candle goes in all mirrors.
And the lighting.
Yeah. From their sunrise. Straight from their sunrise. So different sunrays come and they fall in mirrors. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Yeah.
Therefore we call this floor Ratan Mandir, Jewel Temple. This window was reserved for the first wife of king. This window is very beautiful window among the five.
Among the 5 floors.
Yeah. Gold sofa. Big gold sofa, two ladies below the air. Again the air comes outside to inside to Maharani. And you know in Rajasthan they have two different castes, Charan and Bhat.
Sharon?
And Bhat. These are the local caste of Rajasthan. These pupils, men, used to write poems on the bravery, songs for Maharaja, and ladies for Maharanis. So those ladies used to stand here and they used to tell them what they are watching outside, like a guide. Divided in small. All India was divided into 320. So Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, he took these all countries and made Indian territory. So that time, Muhammad Ali Jinnah said, we are different. Hindus and Muslims are different. We cannot live with each other. So we need a Pakistan. So that time partition and all were separate. Nobody knows where we would like to go, in India or in Pakistan or separate. Because Hyderabad Nizam, he did not like to come in India, in Rajasthan, in Jodhpur, in Kash. So there were lots of disputes. So that time these buildings were broken by some pupils, or then after in 1949 we established their Archaeology Survey of India and Archaeology Survey of Rajasthan. So nowadays Archaeology Survey of India take care central monuments and Archaeology of Rajasthan state monuments. So same like in your, where are you from?
Kerala.
In Kerala we have also the for archaeology. Broken, like this is broken, the government will repair with new.
I think this is original and this is replaced.
It will be replaced next time.
In Belgium in 1700
Yeah.
they bought it.
We had great relations in ancient time for India export silk
Yeah.
and cardamom,
Cardamom.
opium
Yeah.
from your Kerala also.
Cardamom.
Yeah.
Spices.
Spices. India was the famous for, therefore the British peoples came because India was famous for spices and cotton
Cotton.
and also opium.
Opium. Yeah.
there were beautiful pashmina carpet. They used to tie here.
nice.
And from here,
എത്ര thoughtful ആണെന്നോ.
and from here, when Maharaja used to take shower, king used to take shower from here. Tent covered this portion. Behind that wall, there is a room for the royal ladies. Behind that wall.
Behind that wall.
So first we will go up, then we will go there.
Okay.
42 lakh people lives in Jaipur. When king founded Jaipur city, that time only 10,000 people.
Okay.
Okay. Everywhere you can see the mountain range.
Yeah.
That is Arauli mountain range. Arauli mountain range is the oldest mountain range in the world.
Okay.
From civilization or from beginning. Can you see the palace is there? It was built by Madho Singh II in 19th century for royal ladies. Royal ladies and king. Nahargarh. Royal ladies and queen and king. Can you see the flag building? They used to live there.
Which building?
That flag, the watch is there.
Oh, yeah.
That is City Palace.
Okay.
So all royal ladies, king used to live there. But when king wanted to enjoy, he used to go there.
Okay, on the top.
On the top, can you see the protection wall is there?
Yes.
That protection wall from Nahargarh, Jaigarh and Amber. There are three places on the hill.
Yeah.
And Arauli mountain range is the oldest mountain range in the world. From civilization or from beginning. That is Ganesh temple. And behind the temple, can you see one minar is there?
Oh, yeah, there is
A small minar. There you can see the biggest cannon of the world, Jai Baan.
Jai Baan.
250 ton heavy.
Okay.
Okay, and 1 kilometer far from there, Amber Palace. So
Okay.
before Jaipur, king used to live on hill, but
Okay.
after Amber, here in flag. Can you see the flag?
Yeah.
That is not national flag.
It's not national flag?
That is not national flag. There, can you see the flag?
Yeah, I can see one, but
Yeah.
it looks like same color.
Yeah, same color. But that is 5-color flag.
Oh.
That is the personal flag of Jaipur city. And if we can see only one flag, that means king is not in Jaipur.
Oh.
That if there are 2 flags, means king is in Jaipur.
Okay.
So it shows king is in Jaipur or not in Jaipur. So when winds blow, if we see there are 2 flags, when king is in Jaipur. Now present king is Padmanabh Singh.
Okay.
But India, we have democracy. So no king, no queen.
Yeah.
All are Mr. and Mrs. If person is a doctor, can use doctor and name.
Yeah.
Engineer can use engineer and name. But king, the queen, his highness, her highness removed by government after independence, after 1947. Okay. So no king after 1947. In 1947, the last king was Man Singh II.
Man Singh second.
In Jaipur. The last after Man Singh II got 3 marriages, 1924, 1936, 1940. So in Hindus we have law. The first son becomes another king or the owner of the property. So the Man Singh's son Bhavani Singh became the owner of that property. Then Bhavani Singh did not have any son.
Son.
He had only one daughter. So he adopted daughter's son. Bhavani Singh's daughter's son is the owner of this property. So when name is Padmanabh Singh, he is 24 years old. So when he is in Jaipur, there we can see 2 flags, 1 flag we know.
No.
Near the city palace, can you say the triangle is there? Triangle.
Yeah.
With umbrella, the triangle.
Yeah.
That is Jantar Mantar.
Jantar Mantar.
In India, we have 5 Jantar Mantar. In Delhi, Varanasi, Ujjain, Mathura and Jaipur. This is Jaipur Jantar Mantar, biggest among them. And World Heritage Site of UNESCO 2010. So when you will go in Jantar Mantar is local name, which means nothing. The real name is Astronomical Observatory.
Okay.
Means Khagol Shastriya Prayogshala. So when you go in Jantar Mantar, there you will see the instruments which tells you the calculation of sun, time, azimuth angle of sun, altitude angle of sun, zodiac sign of sun, about the rotation of earth. So this Jantar Mantar has been working from 17th century. Therefore, and all instruments are in working condition. Therefore, that is the World Heritage Site of UNESCO 2010, like Taj Mahal. Okay. Right from there. Okay, the solar plant. Can you see the solar plant is there?
Yeah.
Soldiers used to live there.
Okay.
Okay. So from yeah, king in city palace, soldiers there. The minar. Can you see the minar?
Yeah.
That is 7-storied minar.
What?
7-storied.
Okay.
That was built by second king of Jaipur city, Ishwari Singh. He fought with his brother.
Oh.
He won that war, so he wanted to celebrate victory. Therefore, he built that minar. So then from here, you are watching the Jaipur city. You have 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Look the beautiful city. I will meet you just here downstairs to take your photos. Okay, selfie will come the best from here.
Okay.
Okay, I will meet you just here.
Thank you.
After taking photo, free time.
Yeah.
Geru or terracotta color.
Terracotta.
Prince Albert from London visited Jaipur city.
Okay.
For the welcome of Prince Albert, King Ram Singh painted all Jaipur city with this color. When you enter inside the Jaipur, you may have seen one gate. So there are 9 entrance gates. So when British army and British people enter inside the gate, they saw this color. They used to wow, what a pink city, pink city. So still we are using pink.
Actually, it is not pink.
This is not. This is terracotta or Geru color.
Okay.
That market is called Johari Bazaar. That state market is called Johari Bazaar. That is the biggest market of emerald in Asia.
Emerald. Okay.
In Asia.
Emerald.
Green stone. That is the biggest market of emerald in Asia. In the time period of king, all richest people of Jaipur city used to live in market. Present time in sea scheme, where you can see the statue circle. Have you seen statue circle in Jaipur? Statue circle. Statue circle is 1 kilometer or 2 kilometer far from there. There, government offices are there, and all luxurious people used to live in that portion before independence there. Okay? These
So
are
this emerald come, you make,
they buy the rough emerald from the different part of the world and they manufactured here. These are gold plated. In temples you can see also there. These attract positive energy from heaven. This is fourth and upstairs floor. This is Prakash. Why? Because on the way there is a sun temple I showed you from there.
Yeah.
So from sunrise,
this will come.
plenty of fresh light there,
here.
and up that is the wind.
Good, yeah.
The same view which you saw from there you can see from here. If you like, there is a way to go up. If you like, you can go up and come down. Okay. Then we will visit the Maharani's room, royal lady's room. Behind the walls, sir, there are the rooms for the royal ladies.
Oh.
Please. There are 3, but only one is open.
Okay.
security guards of royal lady there. Babur. First time in the world history, Babur kept transgenders with his royal ladies. So Hindu kings also adopted.
Oh.
Garden with buildings, Mughal architecture, not Hindu architecture. So like Taj Mahal, if you see any Muslim building, there you can see garden with building. So after Mughal kings, Hindu kings also adopted garden with building. One to visit. Can you see that architecture? There was a water tank.
Okay.
And underground power pipe used to come here. Fountain. It used to work with pressure system. Ladies servant used to pour water in water tank. Then it used to work. That was the room of king. So here, when king comes here, ladies invite him. Please come in this room. Please come in that room.
Yeah.
This way. So same like there, Baradari is there. Vihar or Vihar, stay with pleasure. The place where we can stay with pleasure. So this was the room. All statues we got from Amber. Inlay means the black marble and white marble work. This is kind of inlay work, but this is not real inlay because this is the limestone work. So in Amber, in Shishmal, there you can see white marble and red marble work. That is inlay work. And Petra Deora work means the gold work on white marble. So Petra Deora work you will see in City Palace.